The tie-dye fabric dyeing technique is a unique method used to produce vibrant and artistic patterns on fabric. This process requires precision and careful execution of various steps to ensure that the final product meets expectations. The first stage involves preparing the fabric. It is essential to wash the material beforehand to eliminate any dirt, oils, or chemicals that could hinder dye absorption. After washing, the fabric should be soaked in a solution of water and soda ash for approximately 15 to 30 minutes. This particular immersion is vital as it enhances the bonding strength between the dye and the fabric fibers. Upon completion, the fabric must be wrung out to remove excess liquid, while still retaining dampness essential for the dyeing stage. The second step is folding and binding the fabric. This is where creativity plays a significant role. The cloth can be folded, twisted, crumpled, or pleated to achieve the desired pattern. Rubber bands, strings, or zip ties can be utilized to bind the fabric securely in specific sections. Such bindings act as resist barriers and create interesting patterns by preventing dye penetration at those points. Common folding techniques include spiral, accordion, bullseye, and crumple patterns. In the third stage, mixing the dye is the primary focus. It is imperative to follow the manufacturer's instructions while preparing the dye. Fiber-reactive dyes mixed with water are prevalent in most tie-dye projects. Protective gloves should be worn to safeguard against stains. The dye mixture can then be placed into squeeze bottles or spray bottles for controlled application. The fourth step pertains to the application of the dye. One must apply dye to the fabric carefully to form multicolored designs, ensuring the dye penetrates deeply enough for vivid results. It is advisable to apply the dye on both sides of the fabric to avoid unwanted white spots unless they are intended as part of the design. Setting the dye is the fifth stage of the procedure. Here, the dyed fabric is wrapped in plastic wrap or sealed in a plastic bag to maintain moisture. It sits at room temperature for 6 to 24 hours to allow proper dye setting, with longer waiting periods resulting in more vibrant colors. Rinsing the fabric comes next, wherein the fabric is carefully removed from its wrapping and bindings are cut. The fabric is rinsed thoroughly in cold water until it runs clear to eliminate excess dye. The penultimate step involves washing and drying the fabric. It must be washed separately in warm water with mild detergent to ensure all residual dye is removed. Drying should be carried out in a shaded area or using a tumble dryer at a low setting to avert color fading. Finally, ironing the fabric may be required to rid it of wrinkles and enhance the visual appeal of the design. By following this meticulous process, vibrant and uniquely patterned tie-dye designs can be achieved effortlessly. This technique not only enables one to explore creative expression but also results in personalized and artistic creations that embody individual taste and style.